Good morning. This is Mr. Burns, CPDLF science instructor, and it is Monday, January 22nd. I have to apologize because I have a cold right now that I've just gotten from my family, and my voice is a little off, so I hope I make sense. And I hope the cold isn't getting you too bad. It's been mighty cold out there, but I guess it's supposed to get a little bit better here soon. Let's just review what we did last week. We did semester 2 DNA and RNA. That was lesson 7.1. We did a project, building DNA 7.2. We did chromosomes and genes 7.3. And a project, karyotypes 7.4. And you did quiz 1, the molecules of genetics 7.6. Okay, for all those sevens, we can count them as ones because we are now in the second semester. So if I said 7 there and I meant 1. Just to review some of the things that that you might have had trouble with last week. One of the areas I noticed was the area of DNA and RNA replication or transcription. DNA replicates itself, and that means it just reproduces itself. The molecule unzips, and one side goes ahead and picks up nitrogen bases and becomes another strand of DNA. When RNA is made, DNA also unzips itself, but by the use of an enzyme, and the one half of it attracts bases that go to RNA. Okay, they're nitrogen bases, but they apply to RNA. And then once all those nitrogen bases are in there, the new strand of RNA leaves the nucleus, leaves the other strand of DNA back in there, but the RNA strand leaves, goes out into the cytoplasm, goes to a ribosome, and from there it makes protein. Okay, I know that those things in biology can be a little bit confusing, but just hang in there and work with it a while, and it does get easier. Okay, most people did pretty well on the lessons last week, so I was pretty happy with that. Okay, now for this week, you're going to do Mendelian genetics, that's 7.7. You have a lesson on inheritance, that's 1.8. A project, Punnett squares, 1.9. And probability, 1.10. You also have a project, testing probability, 1.11. If you run into any problems on those or don't know what, you have questions, feel free to call me any weekday, but feel free to send me a message. And I'll get right back with you just as quick as I can. I want to see you do well. Okay, a reflection question for this week is, why is a small sample less accurate in probability than counting an entire population of something? Why is a small sample less accurate in probability than counting an entire population of something? Okay, think about the size of the sample and all of that. All right, that's it for this week. Have a good week, and I'm sure we'll be talking to each other. So see you later. Bye now.